Hi guys, I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. I have some goodies that came in that I've listed. The Free with 60 is the Here Comes Santa stamp set by Sunny Studio. You get a great tree line and Santa's sleigh. So if you spend 60 or more, pop it into your cart. You'll see the price come off the total and you must add it to your cart to receive it. I also still have some freebies left if you pick up one of the new release stamps from Not Too Shabby. If you place a $25 or more order and it includes at least one of these, I'm throwing in a jelly clip into your package. So I still have a few of these left, so it's while supplies last. So I'll throw one of those clips into your package if you have a $25 or more order that includes a Not Too Shabby stamp. A ton of new releases are coming out, so check out the new Sunny Studio release, the Doodlebug release, my Little Darlings rubber stamps. Package is coming Monday, so those will start shipping Monday. I do have those listed. What else came out? Pink and Maine. I know I'm forgetting something, but check the site, click on stamps, and then scroll down and you'll see all the new releases. You can use my coupon code Jamie to save 10% off your order. So I grabbed a bunch of Nuvo drops, perfect colors for fall and winter. So I've grabbed some of the glitter ones. Especially this one is going to be perfect for adding snow. It's called White Blizzard. It's white glitter. I got the white in the crystal drop. Also the black. Those are like staples to have. And then some really pretty ones for fall. This one is called Golden Sunset and Ruby Slippers, Holiday Cheer. We've got Silver and Gold Coast and Wedgwood Blue in the crystal drops. And then I grabbed the shimmer powders by Nuvo. These are really neat. So they work like the brush show powders, if you are familiar with those. So you squeeze the bottle and the powder sprinkles onto your paper, but you squeeze it onto wet paper and then the powder kind of like spreads out. It does really, really cool backgrounds. So I've got the Blue Blitz, the Cherry Bomb, beautiful metallic, let's see which one is this, Atlantis Burst, Green Parade, Solar Flare, Catherine Wheel. I grabbed the Nuvo Crystal Glaze, so this is like a glossy accents. The Smooth Precision Nuvo Glue Pen. So it's like it's a glue, but the tip is like a pen. So it's perfect for adding like glitter to your images. The Lakeshore collection in the alcohol inks. Cookie Time by Waffle Flower. Thought it was really cute. So this little line here can be the counter, and then you can have everybody cooking or baking cookies. There's even a little stove. So super, super cute. Cookie Time is the sentiment there. You can really have fun with this. And this one here is the combo. It comes with the die, the stamp, and the storage pouch. I have one of these, and then I brought in the single, just the stamp set. And then I have We Blend and Hocus Pocus. I did restock the Thanks to Latte set from Lawn Fawn and the Caramel Apple. Echo Park, I grabbed the Celebrate Christmas and Celebrate Winter paper pads. Won't be able to open it up, but you can see how cute it is with the craft and the red and green and white color combo. And then this one is the Celebrate Winter, so we got the blue, the red, and the white. The cute foxes and the penguins. Super adorable double-sided paper. I did grab some Really Rainbow Christmas, so that is back in stock from Lawn Fawn. And the Reveal Wheel and Reveal Wheel Square add-on is back in stock. And I do have the Reveal Wheel Sentiments for the holiday and the original to go with that. I did restock this embossing ink pen by Lawn Fawn. So I will be sharing the Little Darlings rubber stamps on Monday. So thanks guys for stopping by. I hope you had a great weekend. I'll have all the links down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for shopping, guys. I really do appreciate it. Take care, everyone. Bye.